Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google's new feature called Nearby Share on your Windows PC. This feature lets you easily send and receive files from your Android phone without any cables or apps. It's fast, secure, and convenient. You can use it to share photos, videos, documents, and more. This video provides comprehensive information on the launch of Nearby Share on Windows, including its requirements and key settings. To use Nearby Share on a PC, it is necessary to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. For optimal transfer speed, both devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, preferably on the same Wi-Fi channel. Currently, Nearby Share is compatible with 64-bit x86 architecture on Windows 11. And 10, and Android devices running Android 6.0 or later. It is available in most regions globally, but not in some countries. To ensure the proper functioning of Nearby Share, both devices should be within 5 meters or 16 feet of each other. Before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload new tech tips and tricks every week. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks for your support. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First, head to the link provided in the description below. Then click on Get Started to download the Nearby Share app on your Windows PC. Next, launch the setup file and let it install. Once Nearby Share is installed, you can access it from the Start menu. To show you how it works, let's look at a quick demo. As I told you already, both devices should be on the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open a photo, video, file or document on your Android device and tap on the Share button. After selecting the desired file, choose the Nearby Share option. On your Android phone, the Windows PC will now appear. Tap on it, open the Nearby Share app on your Windows PC and accept the request. And that's it. The file will be transferred from your Android phone to your Windows PC right away. If you want to change the default location, click on the settings icon in the top right corner and change the destination for received files. You can also change device visibility to show or hide your device. The Nearby Share app is not only useful for transferring files from your Android phone to your Windows PC, but it also supports file transfers in the opposite direction. To initiate a transfer, you can open the Nearby Share app, select the desired file, and drag and drop it onto your Android device to begin the transfer process. Once the transfer request is received on your Android device, simply accept the request. and the file will be immediately transferred. Although the transfer speed may vary depending on various factors, in my testing, the transfer speed from Windows PC to an Android device was approximately 4.5 Mbps. That's all for our video on Nearby Share on Windows PC. We hope you found it informative and helpful. With Nearby Share, you can easily transfer files between your Android and Windows devices without any hassle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Also, click on the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.